This is Steve Pistillo from P2 Automation, and welcome to the last video in our short mini-series on our P2 tags feature. Now, we introduced you to tags, we showed you how to create tags, and we went through how to apply those tags to one or more records. Now, what do we do with this information? Well, it's pretty simple. Let's say we want to see all the organizations that are tagged as Dynamics 365. I'm going to go and add a column to this view called tags. And I'm going to remove the street just so you can see everything. What we do is we have a comma delimited list of each tag. So if a company has more than one tag, you'll see them listed. So if you want to see all the Dynamics 365 organizations, you would just set up a simple filter where the tag, you could say equals Dynamics 365 and apply it. And you'll see 5, but that's showing you all the organizations that only tagged with Dynamics 365. But if you want to show all the organizations that have Dynamics 365 as one of their tags, just change this to contains and apply that. And there you go. You could save this as a personal view like you could with any other view and use it in the future. And then if for some reason you want to see all the records that are tagged as Dynamics 365, go back to your tags section, open up Dynamics 365, and then just scroll down and you'll see all the records. So not just the organizations, but the projects, vendors, and whatever else we have set up with the tags feature, like contacts and leads, for example. And if you're using the full Dynamics 365 product, you can use tags in your marketing lists. Or if you're using something like Touchdown Marketing Suite, you can use the tags feature on your filters. If you'd like to learn more about how you can use P2 tags in your organization, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.